Here's what happens if you drink too much cider. It's called Johnny Jump Up.
My weakness.
I'll tell you a story that happened to me. One day as I went down the court by the sea, the day it was hot and the sun was warm, so says I, a quiet pint wouldn't do me no harm. I went into an ale house and I called for a stout. Says the barman, I'm sorry, all the beer's sold out. Try whiskey or paddy, 10 years in the wood. Says I, I'll try cider, I heard it was good. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up. After drinking a quart of the Johnny Jump Up. After town in the third, I went out to the yard where I bumped into Brody, the big civic guard. Come here to me, buddy, don't you know I'm the man? Lay up with me fist and I shattered his jaw. I fell to the ground with his knees doubled up, but it wasn't I that hit him, 'twas the Johnny Jump Up. The next lad I met down in Cork by the sea was a cripple on crutches and says he to me, I'm afraid for me life I'll be hit by a car. Won't you help me across to the Celtic Knot bar? After drinking a quart of that cider so sweet, he threw down his crutches and danced on his feet. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of the Johnny Jump Up. I went down the B road, a friend for to see, well they call it the madhouse in Cork by the sea. But when I got there, sure the truth I will tell, oh they had this poor bugger locked up in a cell. So the guard tested him, say these words if you can. Around the rugged rock, the ragged rascal ran. Tell him I'm not crazy, tell him I'm not mad. 'Twas only 3 pints of the cider I had. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of this Johnny Jump Up. A man died in the mines by the name of McNabb. They washed him and they laid him outside on a slab. And after the parlour measurements they did take, well his wife brought him home to a bloody fine wake. 'Twas about 12 o'clock and the beer was high. The corpse he sits up and he says with a sigh, I can't get to heaven, no they won't let me up, till I bring him a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of the Johnny Jump Up. So if ever you go down to Cork by the sea, stay out in that ale house and take it from me. If you wanna stay safe, don't you dare take a sup of that devil drink cider called Johnny Jump Up. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart of that Johnny Jump Up. Oh never, oh never, oh never again. If I live to 100 or 110, I fell to the ground and I couldn't get up after drinking a quart